Hello for everyone. Today I want to explain what's understood about normal distribution and why it's important. Normal distribution is one of the most important topics in statistics. It uses to decrease raw data such as test score, time, height, or weight. In this presentation, I will explain the main ideas in a simple way. Firstly, I learned that normal distribution works with continuous data. This means the value can be any number within a range. For example, time can be 2.5 hours, weight can be 68.7 kilograms, and height can be 175.3 centimeters. This is important because most real-life data is continuous. Normal distribution is a continuous probability distribution. Its graph has a bell shape and it's symmetric. Most values are close to the center and fewer values are far from the center. That's why normal distribution often used in statistics. Normal distribution has several important properties. The mean, median, and mode are equal. The total area under the curve is equal to 1. Also, the curve never touches the x-axis. The mean shows the center of the data. The standard deviation shows how spread out the data is. A large standard deviation means the data is more spread out. A small standard deviation means the data is closer to the mean. One useful rule is 68, 95, 90, 99.7 rule. About 98% of the data is within one standard deviation of the mean. About 95% is within two standard deviation, and about 99.7% is within the three standard deviation. Also, I learned about the standard normal distribution. In this distribution, the mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. It's used to make calculation easier. Any normal distribution can be converted into a standard normal distribution. To do this, we use z-score. A z-score shows how far a value is from the mean in standard deviation. A positive z-score means the value is about the mean. A negative z-score means the value is below the mean. Using z-score and the normal table, we can find probabilities. For example, we can find the probability that values is less than a certain number. We can also find the probability that a value is between two numbers. This is useful in real-life situations. Finally, I understood why normal distribution is important. It's used in a business to analyze data and risks. It's used in education to evaluate test results. Overall, normal distribution helps us make better decisions using data. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.